One more move and you're dead.
So what? 5 minutes ahead of schedule. Look, I'll make you a deal. You give me the antidote. I'll give you the Feldheimer stone. Hurry up, I got 5 minutes. The joke is on you. I gave you an ordinary rock.
And I just gave you some more poison. You are completely untrustworthy, and it's a pity, because we would have made a fine couple.
If I'm going, I'm taking you with me. Hey, aim for me, maybe you'll hit the snake.
You've had this coming for a long time.
Hammer, I have the antidote. The doc came through. Not a moment too soon.
Captain, how can I ever thank you?
Don't drink it.